Alright, this is the review worksheet, chapter 10, page 3, and in this one we have an endangered species, and it's decreasing 3% per year, and it starts at 6,000, and they want to know how much till 60% of it remains. So 60% of 6,000 is 3,600, so they're saying when will the ending amount be 3,600 if we start at 6,000 and we go down by 3% a year. What's t? How many years will that take? So I've worked that one out over here on the side, and so I've got that, and this of course is going to simplify to 97%, 0.97, but I'm going to divide out both sides by 6,000, and I get 60%, or 0.6 is 0.97 to the power of t. I log both sides and bring the t down, and then I divide both sides by the log of 0.97 to isolate this t, and I get t is approximately 16.8 years, which is choice E. In number 22, they want the first incorrect step, so if I was simplifying this I would write the log base 4 of 4 minus the log base 4 of 64. So looks like they did that correctly in step 1. This is a 1. The exponent I raised 4 to get a 4. And the exponent I raised 4 to get 64 is 3, because 4 to the third is 64. So it's 1 minus 3, and then my result would be negative 2. So they make the mistake right here with that 16. So the mistake is made in step 2. So log base 6 of 40, if I don't know what that is, just make it x, rewrite it in exponential form. 6 to the x equals 40. And then take a log of both sides, maybe a common log. Bring your x down. X times the common log of 6 is the common log of 40. So x equals the common log of 40 divided by the common log of 6. And so that would be choice D. And this is when you understand the change of base formula, you can go straight from here to here on a simple one like this. So number 24 asks for this hospital patient, and he gets medication, and his body uses it up. He has like 80% of it left at the end of each time period, end of each hour. So what does the 8 represent? And it would be this choice D, that there's in fact 80% of the medication remaining each hour. That's what that means right there. It means he's losing 20% of it an hour. Okay, so on number 25, we're just supposed to set up the expression that would find the value of the car. So they want to know, it goes till 2003, it starts in 2000, so t is going to be 3 years, and the initial value is 15,000, and it's decreasing by 20%. So I would write this as the amount I'll have at the end will be 15,000 times 1 minus 20%, or 80%, to the power of 3. So in looking at these choices, that looks like that is choice A. Okay, for 26 it says each of the following statements is true. 16 to the x is 4, 9 to the x is 3, 4 to the x is 2. So you have to realize that these numbers are square roots of these. So x is 1/2, right? Because if I said 16 to the 1/2 is 4, 9 to the 1/2 is 3, 4 to the 1/2 power is 2. So x is 1/2, and now it asks what's the value of 3 to the x. So that would be 3 to the 1/2. So that would be the square root of 3, which is choice C. Number 27, again, let's see. In this, we have a culture with 200 bacteria cells, and they want to know after T hours, find P, which is the ending amount. So, which is the closest number to find the total bacteria after 2 hours? So, it would be P equals 200 to the 8 times 2. So this would be 200 times 64. So that would be 12,800. Choice B. And then on this page, the last one, if 17 to the m equals 6, what is m? So I'm going to take this and I'm going to take the log of both sides to get this exponent down so I can find what it is. So when I do this, this comes down. M times the common log of 17 is the common log of 6. So m is the common log of 6 over the common log of 17. And we don't need to punch it into a calculator. They want this in calculator ready format. So that's going to be choice A. Okay, and that's it for page 3.